Hello YouTube, this is Michael from MBsUnboxings, and I am very proud to say that I have just got this, the Nokia Lumia 610. There it is, Nokia Lumia 610. There's the barcode, Nokia Lumia 610 again, and that is the bottom. Okay, so yeah, so it comes with Nokia Drive, Nokia Maps, Nokia Music. It's got the phone, the battery, documentation, headphones, the charger and the USB, and it comes with a micro SIM. I'm on orange, so there's my micro SIM. So yeah, it's a Windows phone, as you can see. So let's take it out of its box. Okay, so first glance, there's the box. Gonna chuck that over there. Okay, first of all, we've got the phone. So let's take that out there. That looks quite nice actually. It's got turn up and down button, the lock turn on button and the camera button, backspace Windows button, search for Bing, that's that. It's got micro USB charger, 3.5mm headphone jack, so let's put that to one side and be careful with that. Okay, also in the box we have the battery, so the battery, it is a 3.7 volt 4.8 WH, and it's 1300 milliamps per hour, I believe. BP 3-hour rechargeable battery. Put that to one side as well. Okay, let's take this out of its box somehow. It's got a nice hole there, so keep that. Okay, actually that's nice. Nice little information box. Okay, chuck that to the side. Okay, so Nokia Lumia, pretty much just basics, all that. Nokia. This is the, that's just Wi-Fi, all that. Okay, let's see what else we got. So we got a micro USB to USB. Feels nice, that wire. Put that to the side. And we've got the charger. So take that off. Hang on a sec, guys. Okay, nice. From what I can see, you push that up. Okay, that's cool. That is cool. So you push it down and up. Cool. And then you put that in there. Alright, so that's that. Oh, one more thing. Okay, and this must be the headphones. Yeah. Wow, they look nice. They are the nice little headphones. Just take that off. Okay. So, they come with little caps as well for the right size there. Actually, they feel nice. So that moves to adjust to your ear. Alright guys, well I will let you know what happens a bit later once I've got the video done and all that, like you know, phone setup and all that. Might be doing a few tutorials of the phone. So yeah. Anyhow, that's it for today, guys. I'm hoping to get a few videos up and running again tomorrow. I'm not sure whether I'll get some more done today, but yeah. Alright guys, well, I'll see you later. This is Michael from MBsUnboxings out.